Hi friends, welcome back. Hope you are doing good. Today's video is all about Milestones DIY Stepping Stone Kit. The one which we tried is Glow Mosaic Stepping Stone Kit. It can make up to an 8-inch stepping stone. The kit includes all the materials you need and it comes with a clear instructions. All we need is to follow the instructions and it's easy to make. This video includes the whole process. Hope this video will be helpful if you're trying to do something like this. And it's really a great project to do along with your kids during this summer break. The pack which we got includes the glow in the dark glass chunks. And from my experience, I would say it's not really like glowing. It glows. If it is like really dark, we could see it glowing. If you have some solar lights or any other lights outside, the glow is not that much visible. If it is really a dark spot, then the glow is really visible. So that's all about it. Hope this video will be helpful. Keep watching. Thank you.